Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock inventory. First, decide on an inventory method that suits your business, like periodic or perpetual. Next, choose the right tools, whether it's a basic spreadsheet or specialized inventory software. Finally, categorize all your items and assign unique identifiers to each one. This foundational step ensures everything is ready for accurate tracking. Once your system is set up, consistently track all stock movement. Make sure to record every item you receive, noting the exact quantity and the date it arrived. Equally important is documenting all outgoing stock, whether it's through sales or returns. To maintain accuracy, conduct regular physical counts of your inventory. This helps verify that your digital records match your actual stock levels. With your data collected, it's time to analyze it for better decision-making. Calculate your inventory turnover rate to understand how efficiently you're selling products. Identify any slow-moving or obsolete items to reduce potential waste and carrying costs. By leveraging these insights, you can accurately forecast future demand, ensuring you optimize your ordering process and maintain ideal stock levels. To keep your inventory system running smoothly, adopt some key best practices. For perishable items, implement a first-in, first-out system to minimize spoilage. Ensure all your staff are thoroughly trained on inventory procedures and any software you use. Finally, schedule regular audits of your inventory processes. This continuous review helps maintain accuracy, prevents errors, and ensures your system remains effective over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.